fence? Is retired boots? Is cowboy boots? Or what is it? It's like boots all on me. What is up? What is up? Oh yeah, that's me. We back on this thing, the boy Qupee. Let's go get this money. Yeah. I tell y'all, thanks for coming to the channel, the page, YouTube, Facebook. Oh no, I don't got Facebook. Instagram, TikTok, and you don't stop. Yeah. So we're doing a little something different. We're going out, we picked up at Targets, and we had a live load. I didn't get to record that because I had to go pick up my camera from the house. I also had to pick up my GPS. My old one messed up, so I got me another one. You know, it's not the Garmin and everything, and I'm just regional, so I'm really not finna spend no $300-400 on no Garmin or whatever it's called, Roland McNally. Y'all know what it's called. Shoot, yeah. So I'm not finna spend about $200-300 on a GPS that this can do just fine. Haven't done me any wrong yet. I went way I go Arkansas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, all that surrounding states. So it's like bam, we good. All in Texas. So yeah, so picked up in Midlothian. Targets had live load, and we heading to Marshall. So I'm already in the. I'm about what, 23 miles away. So pretty much almost there. I was listening to some podcasts and everything, and talking to the wife or whatever about some traveling opportunities. Want to travel more next year. Lord say the same. I see the end this year, but yeah, I want to travel more. And then what I'm gonna do for my birthday? As you see, I'm like, when we're talking about what I'm gonna do for my birthday, I'm not really go all out on my birthday and everything. So she was just asking what I want to do. So that's what I was talking to her about. But yeah, I'm burning wood. They finna start putting something right though. They finna start, what you calling on 20. That's one thing I hate. It's like, there's people on the side of the road. I put my signal on trying to get over because I don't like driving when somebody car or anything right there, but they don't let me over. And then I get the looks or something like this right here. It's a dude right here, and then I get the looks from them like, man, why you ain't move over? Like, hey man, I tried to get over, man, there's cars over here, they won't let me over. Yeah, we're finna switch a little bit up. I got a little surprise coming through. Little surprise. I might, I don't know if I'm doing this channel or not. Might have some people watching this channel. I probably can't do it on this channel. But yeah, got a little extra coverage or something. Extra little some vlogs coming from another area and start happening. I'm not leaving night. I'm still gonna be driving for night. I'm not leaving night. But yeah. But I've been talking to, like, I don't know, seeing a lot of people, other drivers and everything. They thinking about owner op. Well, lease. Just to check it out. To see if I do want to go in that area. I'm coming in on 2 years. Well, 2 years? Yeah, coming in on 3 years. So it's like, what do I want to do? Do I want to stay a company driver? Do I want to make a little bit more money? So now we got, let's say, a mile, 1.6 miles to go. It's gonna be over there in that area. We're gonna pass it, and we gotta exit off. Let's say exit off and come back around. I don't have my phone mount broke, so I gotta buy me a new one. And the one I like is like $50. I had like several cheap ones that didn't last like past day one. I think that's a spot right there. That's where we're going. I'm trying to see, do they have multiple trailers? Not multiple trailers, but when I looked on the GPS, it looked like they had a little, a small yard where they kept trailers. I was trying to see, did they have like any night trailers over there? And get ready to take this exit. So down. Like me and him been riding together all day. I don't think that's the same truck because he got damn Peterbilt. Yeah, that's the sound they make. Them Peterbilt boys. Come on now. You gotta make sure you clear. I could have took that, but then I was like, yeah, I'm trying to get my trailer around. I don't want stuff to knock over. I'm good. So we're going, I got both. I'm using both just in case. And I also look when that's one thing, if you go somewhere new, I always look for the truck entrance. 9 out of 10 they gonna have some truck going in the entrance on the Google Earth on the pictures. I'm like, okay, that's where the trucks go. What is it? PSC. Riding tomorrow. Say no to trucks. Marshall Distribution Center. Say no to trucks. See people that driving like fast, like you're not gonna get over? Are you mad that I'm coming through here? So this is the area you drop off. They got shoes or something like that or something. What that mean? I know I'm an hour and a half early for my appointment. I don't know if I was trying to call like, hey, I got loaded. They loaded quick. If I come If I come down, would I get unloaded, or do I have to wait till 11? Or would I have to wait till 11? I would have went somewhere and got something to eat. Look at this joint. So that's a night trailer right there. So where do we go? I do not know. Where do we go? Where do we go? That's a night trailer right there. Oh, is it a drop? And we get to pick up an empty? Say less. Is it something like that? Idea, because there goes another night trailer right there. I'm gonna get back with y'all, trying to see what we got going on and everything. We check in over here. Alright. Okay, alright. Is it a drop and hook for us or a live unload?
What you got? Are you loaded?
Yeah, I'm loaded. Oh yeah, we made it here and everything. Looks like a liquidation warehouse. They get like, I guess they salvage returns. Probably send them off dirt cheap. That's probably what they do. Returns from like Targets or whatever, then they send them to dirt cheap. Well, looks like I gotta wait till 1 o'clock. They got several night trailers, but I gotta wait till 1 o'clock to my appointment time. This mug out here in the boom. In the boonies. So I got like 1, 2, 3, 4 night trailers or whatever. Then they got some I guess owners with night trailers who doing like power only. But I tried to talk to one of the warehouse associates sitting down. I was like, hey, this like a return liquidation warehouse. Oh, you gotta talk to the receiver. I'm asking about your fund. I'm asking about where you work at. I'm asking what kind of warehouse it is. God, I won't say the K word, but hey, I ain't finna be all, I don't do all that. It's not the channel for that. But yeah, I'm parked over here with old Swiftity Swift. It's probably why we got this damn account. Probably sharing it with Swift. Cause I see more Swift trailers than anything. So you got them 2 night trailers. You got all Swift drivers. That's probably why, the only reason why we over here. Like, hey y'all, we teamed up. You want to take some of my loads? Like, I know one load, I think I did, it was a Snyder load. We was the third party to a Snyder load, which we done and everything, but yeah, I'm finna get up here and lay it down. Eat, probably. I just got some chips or something. I don't know where I'm going after this. Hopefully they give me something. I just won't be blinded. I'm about to load, like, what the freak? Yeah, see? Let's walk around. I probably got a toilet, everything. Junks over here. What's a Yu-Gi-Oh card? Pokemon card. More Pokemon cards. And got what's this? See? This probably returns and shit. Yeah, I need to buy me a brush, a broom, so I can sweep out my trailer. I probably need to go ahead and already put my tandems back. But I'm gonna hop back in the truck. Probably watch some Netflix or something. It's until 1 o'clock, which I don't know why I just can't check in at 12. I got an appointment at 1, check me in at 12. Call me, hey, come to this dock. And I gotta walk back up there, and it'll be like that sometime. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all when we get to the dock. So we got us a dock. It's 2 more other night trailers here. I mean drivers here. Both of them I didn't seen before. Damn. Oh, I was about to say. It's two more other drivers, and we all got appointments at 1 o'clock. Like, yeah, but there's some stuff I got. Let me see. Return, they put on packages. Don't know how long it's gonna take for them to unload it, but this is what I got. I was gonna open it when I was over there on the street, but I was like, nah, in case that mug fall. I don't think it's gonna fall. They put it up there against that other pallet. Yeah, but the other, I always be seeing him. He only say like DFW area. I don't think he go to Oklahoma or nothing. But they finna bag this thing up. Gotta straighten it out though a little bit. I'm gonna look like a doctor over there in Paris. Don't know how long they gonna take. Ew. Too much. See, a little goes a long way. People looking at me like, I ain't got a camera on his head. Oh, you hopping back. It was up front. Oh, it was not. It was this dude up front. There we go. So we got unloaded. I forgot the time I told y'all. It took about 3 hours, I believe. And look at all these night drivers here. It took about 3 hours or whatever. And pardon me, I've been seeing them all the time. Yeah, but it took about 3 hours to get unloaded. They got her coming here tomorrow. I'm not coming here tomorrow. They got me going somewhere else. I thought I was gonna go probably Louisiana or something like that, since I'm in Marshall, right by the border. I think I'm like 30 miles away from the border of Louisiana, which I thought I was gonna go, but they got me going to Louisville.
on duty in 60 seconds.
Going back to Wilmer. Could be Hutchinson. Why? Okay. So we're off.
Walmart Police grade duty status has changed to drive.
So like I said all them nights over there, I guess they got us going over here, and my wife just I think it's raining back up in Dallas, but yeah, that's it. It took us about 3 hours. That was a long time. I thought I wasn't gonna have enough hours. I thought I wasn't gonna have, ooh, that's a dang bird. Probably got hit at nighttime. Thought I wasn't gonna have enough hours to get back. It's like 3 hours to get back. That's probably why they got hit. They swoop out there. Swoop out there. That hawk. But yeah, I wanted to see, when I was coming up here, it was boots on the fence. If y'all know what that means, right there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but boots on the fence. What do that mean? These boots on the fence. Is retired boots? Is cowboy boots? But what is it? It's like boots all on their fence. I don't know. But yeah, we out here in the country, so I guess that's what they do. That's what y'all do in the country or whatever. I'm saying I was raised right up the street, born in Tyler, Texas, but raised in Houston, so I'm not really considered a country boy. Well, I guess that's gonna be it. To the next vlog. It's kind of a little short vlog. Make sure ain't nobody coming around that curve speeding, because you really can't see nobody. Like I say, live life, have fun, no rewind buttons. Until next time, I know every time I say I'm gonna start dropping more, but I guess do like stuff like this, little short, where I went, how long it took or whatever. Any questions or whatever, you know. But like I said, man, y'all know how we do. Drop off this load. I already turned it in. Let's go get this money. Oh, here's that boy Qupee. I freaked that whole damn outro up. We dropped it off. Sent in that load. We empty. Now it's time to go get that next load. Oh yeah, let me. Let's go get this money.